So this video, I try to show you how you can use Excel to plot a calibration graph. So let's insert some data. So this is my concentration, and concentrations are 10 parts per billion, 20 parts per billion, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, and 80. So these are my concentration, and this is the response going to be, let's say, 40, 78, 124, 160, 210, and 240, 275, and 320. So these are the responses. Now I just create this data to show you how to plot the graph. Now the best way to, or easiest way to do is just select everything. You go to insert, and under insert you will see these charts. You can select this scattered type chart. So this is what you get. Now when you look at this chart, there are so many unwanted things on this chart. Number one is never ever keep this chart title, because for a chart, when you write a report, the title should come at the bottom. So if you write the title at the bottom, you keep in this one, it's really messy and it's not the right way to do it. And personally, I don't like these lines. That's again distracting for me, so I'll remove that. Now things looks okay here, but there are many things missing. Number one is you need to insert a few things. So let's try to insert these. Just go to format, in design, add chart elements. You need to add axis. So primary axis, that's not what I want to do. Title, primary axis title, and primary vertical title. Now you can rename these. Now when you doing this, you really need to careful. You can do this. You can write concentration. Now when you write concentration, or let's say this is not the concentration, this is the absorbance, you need to, if there's any unit, you need to write the unit. So how you write the unit? You write it slash whatever the unit. So let's say unit is, if it's current, you can write amperes. If it's it can be milliamperes, so you can write the unit. And this axis is the concentration axis, so you can write concentration, and you need to write the unit. Unit can be mole per decimeter, or it can be any unit. So you need to really write the unit here. That's important when you type it, when you label axis. Then let's write dm cube. So I hope you know how to make this. I hope you can make this superscript. So to do that, Control Shift plus. The keyboard shortcut, I'll write it here. You need to, for superscript, Control Shift plus. For subscript, Control plus. So by doing that, you can really nicely write it. But still, there are many things missing. The other thing is these tick points. So you might wonder what is tick points. So format chart area. You can select format chart area. Then chart option, under border, you can see here, here, nope, that's not what I need. Chart axis. All right, so that's not what I need. Let me try to find. So when you select format axis, that's what I need. Now in this case, you can see here tick marks. In this tick marks, you can major tick marks inside. So that's, hopefully you can see here. I will zoom it. You can see here in the two axes, this axis having these tick marks, but this one not. You need tick marks, this other one also. So how I do it? Format axis, I go here, tick marks, and major type inside. Inside is the correct way to do it. If you need minor ones, now you can have the minor ones also. So that's again something you must do. You can put minor ones or you can just ignore minor ones, that's your choice, but tick mark should be added. Then this quick layout, actually this should be done first, but I did it little later, but it's okay. Again, I don't like this series and I don't like these small lines. I delete it. Now this is something little important. The reason is this shows you the correlation and the equation. So this is the graph. That's a, not all points are on the line, and I never draw the line beyond the lowest calibration point and beyond the upper highest calibration point. This is r squared value and this is my equation. So this is my graph. So this is the right way to draw a graph. Now tick marks are outside. So again, some people like to have tick marks outside, some people like to have tick marks inside, but again, keeping tick marks inside, that can be do, but keeping tick marks outside, again, the right way to do it. So you can draw the graph the way we discuss. So remember, tick marks outside, tick marks outside. This equation is here. Never draw beyond and upper and lower points. Have the units, label axes. If you want to move it, you can still do that. You can just move these axes here. So I put this milliampere just to show you, but again, that's something you can do. Now this is a really good graph. So if you want to move this one to Excel, sorry, a Word document, you can do it easily. One mistake, if you don't like a border, you can keep no line. So you can copy, you can just go to the Excel sheet, you can just paste it. So that's our graph. You can just copy into an Excel sheet. Now you can see it's really nicely done. It's so well Excel based calibration graph. So you can just use it for your work. So this is the way to do the graph using Excel sheet. Sometimes we like to have these colors and other things, but those are not really recommended in scientific writing. So remember that. So that's how to draw a calibration graph using Excel. So I hope you understand this. But when you do this, always check the given writing format. Now in Department of Chemistry, we are using ACS style. So check the style. It gives you more information on how to draw a graph and everything. You can look at it and you can get the full idea how to draw a calibration graph using the style guide. We are using ACS style.